Christmas gift from my son. And this is a GoPro 11. This is the battery, and this is the holder. Yes. And this is the GoPro. Look at that. So nice. I like it. And this is my stand, the selfie stick. This is the GoPro protector. There is no black, so I just get the orange one. Guys, I have my SD card. This is all my Christmas gift from my son, and this is the manual. I didn't know how small it is. It's expensive, but we'll see how it goes. I want to try this for tomorrow, and I'll let you know. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you, and have a Merry Christmas.